Peppermint is a natural herb that has so many uses and benefits. One of the benefits of peppermint is used for making oil and also for making tea. So guys, welcome back to my channel. So glad having you back again. We are going to be making peppermint tea today. So I've got some peppermint here. Okay, so this is how they look like, almost similar to mint leaf. So straight away I'm going to start making the tea with the leaves. So guys, to make this peppermint tea, I'm going to start by cleaning the leaves. So I would like to rinse these to make sure the leaves are clean. Okay, this leaves has so many health benefits. It has the natural compounds such as menthol. When inhaled, it can help clean nasal congestion, and also the menthol in peppermint leaves can help relieve migraine headache. The leaves has a soothing effect, can help to relieve menstrual cramps, abdominal pains, and I'm a huge fan of peppermint tea. I don't know about you guys, I just love the sweetness and the nice flavor that comes from this tea. I'm done rinsing this. I'm going to bring this into a pot of water. I'm just going to start by placing a pot on the stove top, then I'm adding 1 cup of water to the pot. I'm just going to place a lid over the pot and bring the water to a boil. Once the water has come to a boil, I'm going to add the leaves. I'm going to close this and allow it to simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. Later, the tea is already infused, so I'm going to turn off heat. I just love the steam and the vapor that comes from the tea. It can help relieve nasal congestion, so I'm just going to strain this right away. Just place a strainer over a bowl or a tea kettle and then strain this to get rid of the leaves. Now you can discard the leaves. So I'm going to be serving this hot in a mug. Okay, I'm going to sweeten this with 2 teaspoons of honey. Honey has antibacterial properties which potentiates that of peppermint tea. Together they help fight bacterial infection. So this tea is very effective and it's good for you. So guys, this was how to make peppermint tea. This tea is very rich and it's very beneficial for you. The tea helps to treat nasal congestion, bloating, and migraines. So thank you guys for watching this video. This is a very good alternative to caffeine or sugary drinks. You can enjoy your tea hot or cool. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really do appreciate your effort. Thank you for supporting me. For those of you that haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and I'll be expecting you very soon. Stay tuned for other interesting videos. Bye.